Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download maps on Google Maps application. To download the maps from your Google Maps application for offline use, first of all, open up the Google Maps application and then go to the search here box at the top of the screen and type down the location name you want to download. You can also go ahead and zoom in on the map for the location you want to download. And then after you do that, the option will open up at the bottom. Simply go ahead and tap on the download offline map option. Now, adjust the area to download. Zoom in or out to select the exact area for the map you want to download. And then tap on the download button at the bottom right hand corner. After you do that, the download process will complete. You can now use Google Maps without internet in that area. Offline maps expire after about 30 days, so update them regularly. Download only the areas you need to save the storage space. So that's how you can easily download maps for offline use on Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.